Our focus continues to be on the national capital. In a horrific mishap, a class 9 student was killed after being electrocuted at Delhi's Kalkaji temple. The horrific and chaotic incident took place on the intervening night of October 2 and 3, while another person also sustained injuries. Additionally, 7 others were injured in the stampede that ensued. In fact, all the injured are reportedly out of danger. The victim was waiting in a queue to enter the temple when he came in contact with a live wire on a railing and then died. In fact, the deceased has been identified as Mayank Sharma, a resident of Ghaziabad. According to Delhi police, the electrocution occurred when an electric wire used for halogen lights installed during Navratri snapped and came in contact with an iron railing.
देखिए, बड़ी अफसोस की बात है कि माँ कालका के दरबार में इतना दुखद ये हादसा हो गया। मुझे जो जानकारी मिली है उसमें यही है कि कुछ लोगों ने ऊपर जो है एक लाइन से दूसरी लाइन में टापने के लिए वो तार को पकड़कर नीचे लटक गए, जिसके कारण वो तार टूट गया और नीचे टीन पर टच हो गया। जो पार्टीशन किया गया था उसमें टच होने के कारण उसमें करंट फैल गया और उसमें एक जो है 9वीं क्लास के छात्र के जो है को मृत्यु हो गई है। ये बहुत ही दुखद है। मेरी उस परिवार के साथ पूरी संवेदना है और हम मठ की ओर से उनको जो है कुछ आर्थिक मदद भी देने का प्रयास करेंगे।
Right, so we are currently reporting from the Kalkaji temple. Behind me, you can see this is the Rampyawi gate, which in the initial police inquiry, we were being told that it is at this similar intersection where the incident occurred. So on Thursday night is when we are hearing a young boy, a class 9 student, died due to electrocution and 7 others were injured. Now, remember, this was the first night of Navratri and a large number of devotees had gathered here to worship the temple deity. And we're hearing that an electric wire came loose. This is coming in the initial investigation of the police, that an electric wire that was used to hang halogen lights to prepare for the Navratri arrangements came loose. It came in contact with the iron railing, and as soon as this young boy touched the railing, he died due to electrocution. And as this incident ensued, a stampede occurred because there was a huge crowd. So now what we're interested in understanding is what arrangements were made for this incident. Remember, as I said, this was during the first night of Navratri. This is when we witnessed that right after midnight, a large number of devotees thronged to temples. They're here to take the divine, the Deep Jyoti as they call it, in order, which they light back in their own pandals and homes. So this was a night wherein a lot of devotees had assembled. Now we're hearing that a couple of the family members of the boy were also injured in the incident. The other people who were there, they were admitted to AIIMS and to Safdarjung Hospital. Now, while they're all in a stable condition right now, this is the second incident in the Kalkaji temple this year where a death has been occurred. Earlier in January in the same temple, there was a show where singer B Prak had come in, and there was a stage that was set up that had collapsed, because of which a death occurred and several people had died. So we have to still check what the temple administration has to say and how the police takes this case forward. As of now, an FIR has been registered under the cases of negligent death, of ill management of machinery, as well as endangering personal safety.